Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can add a video and a photo to one Instagram story together. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you need to do is open up your Instagram app and then log into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, what you need to do is hit on your profile and then the plus icon on the top right and then select story. Once you select the story, it's going to open up your gallery, and from there you guys need to select the video that you want to put on a background or a video that you want to upload to a story. So for example, I want to add this video to my Instagram story. Now as you guys can see, I have selected a video, but now I have to select a picture. So for that, what you need to do is hit on the sticker icon on the top menu, and from there scroll down a little bit until you see your gallery option or this plus icon right next to the countdown or the other stickers. Alright, you just need to look for the plus icon. Hit on the plus icon and then select the picture that you want to add to your Instagram story, and then what you guys can do is you guys can resize the picture, like you guys can make it smaller, and you guys can also place it on anywhere in the video, and then you guys can also resize the video as well. For that you need to pinch the video, pinch in the video, and then you guys can resize the video as well. So just let's put it over here, and then you guys can add a text to it as well. For example, I want to add a tutorial story. All right, and then just make it a bigger. And now what you need to do is hit on your story, and then it's gonna start uploading to your account. All right, so now it's gonna upload to your Instagram account, and then your friends or whomever you have in your account can watch your story. Right, so now let me also help you check it out how it's gonna look like on your story. Right, so guys, that is how your snap will look like on your Instagram story. Okay, so guys, that is how you guys can add a video and a photo to your Instagram story together. So for the course of this video guys, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, it is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video.